Hey, it's Killbite here, and it's allergy season. But isn't it always when you got pets? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use this Lifubide Y1000 Smart Air Purifier, and I'll give you my thoughts and review on it at the end. So this is a large room purifier that can be used in a home as well as commercial spaces. So this unit is rated for areas up to 4,555 square feet. That's a lot. In fact, it'll clean a large room in 4 minutes. It has two large true HEPA H13 filters. The filters are rated to remove and capture 99.99% of airborne particles down to 0.01 microns. They'll remove pollen, allergens, bacteria, viruses, dust, smoke, odors, and some gases like ammonia. It's generally quiet and even has a sleep mode, so you can have it in the bedroom at night without a lot of noise or lights. It has an automatic mode that will adjust the speed of the fan based upon the sensor's reading of your air quality. It works with the Tula app and will integrate with Alexa and Google Assist. It's ENERGY STAR certified, and it's got a 5-year limited manufacturer's warranty. All right, let's do an unboxing and I'll show you how to set it up. So when you open this up, it is double boxed on this quality envelope with a manual, full color, English. There's your packing. I'll show you what's in it. There's how to connect to the app, features, some purification information, how to set it up, maintenance. Yep, there is some maintenance. I'll show you that. There's some specs. And the power cord. It is a standard US one. So it comes wrapped in the plastic. I'm not going to waste your time showing you me pulling it out. It weighs about 30 pounds. It has 4 casters, and these have rubber around the wheel, which is good. It's not going to mess up your floors. And they're hidden. It will roll. Even on carpet, it rolls fairly easy. But let's go ahead and get this thing set up. There's a filter on both sides. This is where the sensor is. Let's start. First thing you got to do is remove the plastic from your HEPA H13 filter. There is a pre-filter right here. It just pulls out. I'll show you cleaning maintenance that you'll want to do on this. And on the filter, just pull it out and then you'll remove the plastic. As you can see, it's got a filter on the front. And it does have an RFID that I'll show you on the panel. That's for monitoring your filter replacement time. There is an arrow. Make sure you put it in correctly. It is carbon, activated carbon in the back. That'll get a lot of your odors. And there's some instructions on this, and it's got some felt here. It's a quality filter. And you just slide that back in. Tabs on the bottom. Magnets pull it. It will not run without the case, without the cover on it. Now we go to the other side. Once you have the filters uncovered, the plastic removed, you can take the cable, plug it in at the bottom, listen for the beep, I don't know if you heard that. It's pretty quiet. If I turn it on, it remembers the last setting it was at, which was auto. I showed you where the sensor was. That reads the air quality, the particulates in the air, and it will adjust the fan speed based upon that. You can also manually change the fan speed. So there's one. And to give you an idea of how loud it is, two. Now I'm pretty close to it. There's three. Four. And five. It's maximum. And I'm right on it. So if I was back away just a little bit, it'd be a lot quieter. All right, so sleep. If you hit sleep, that's going to turn the lights off, and the fan is going to stay down on 1 so that it's quiet. I can't even hear it, but I can feel it. Lights. Turn the lights and display off. So lock is a child safety lock. If you press and hold it down for 3 seconds, it's now locked. I can press all these other buttons. It'll just flash here. It's not going to change. Press and hold it for 3 seconds, and it's off again. So on your display, this is your air quality, overall air quality. Green is good, yellow is average, and red is bad. This is your particulate matter that it's counting. Right now it's at 0. So with it on auto, let's do a candle test. I told you it'd remove smoke. Well, it can sense it. So I'm gonna Fan's going up. If you ever burn something in the kitchen, this might be useful. If you don't already have the app, you'll need to download it from the App Store or from on your Google device and log in on it. Once you're in the app, you'll hit Add Devices. Now I'm going to hit Auto for 3 seconds. You can see on the display that the Wi-Fi is now on. And what you want to do is hit Add. That's going to ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. Mine paired. I never actually did the QR codes. You can do it that way too. The instructions are in the manual. This is just how I do it. Here's what the app gives you. Basically, it shows you somewhat of the front screen as far as this is the particulate matter that it is finding, currently 0. Filter remaining is 100. It gives you the local weather. It is Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Your location, it's overcast here, and the air quality is good. It rained. And the wind speed of the unit is set at 1. I can turn it off and on using the bottom left one. I can change the mode. So we have auto, sleep, manual. So it works just like the controls on the unit. Just press which one you want it in. So you can remotely change the fan speed. Also, hit 2. Light changes to 2. Fans increasing. I want mine on auto. You will want to run it when you first put it in a room. You will want to run it at like 3 or more just to suck that air through it and clean it. So the settings allows you to do the child lock, the light, and I don't know what standby detection is, but it also lets you do schedules. So you can add a schedule, so it'll come on and off, that type of thing. And that's about it for the app. So you do want to do some maintenance on this every once in a while. The top has this little raised spot here. That'll pull up. You can clean this as well as in there, just with water and a cloth like a microfiber or something. Put that back on. For the filters, you have this pre-filter that I touched on earlier. This just pulls out, and what you'll want to do is run water back through it and get any hair or dust that's built up on it. Let it dry completely before you put it back in. Back on the unit. Love those magnets. The sensor, it says every 3 months, and you'll just simply pop that off, clean this, make sure that this is cleaned. You can use a brush or something if you want to get that, and make sure it's unplugged before you do this. So the sensor is right here. I'm not going to touch it. Per the instructions, which happen to conveniently be right here. Wipe the sensor with a cotton swab dipped in clean water. Let it dry, make sure it's dry before you plug that back in. So I've been using this Lifubide Y1000 smart air purifier for almost a week now. And I've moved it from room to room to make sure the air in each room is clean. And I have to say that I am really impressed with this air purifier. It's a beast. And as such, it doesn't really have to run hard. So it's quiet. I actually forget it's there, but it is cool to see the indicator here jump up when the dogs get near it and shake. I know it's working. And my allergies are happy. My bedroom was the worst, and it's now cleaned up, so my head isn't quite as stuffed up in the morning. That's a good thing. So if you're looking for an air purifier, or you have allergies or pets and you got dander and hair, maybe you need an air purifier, this is a good one. I do recommend it. It's been solid. So hope that's helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck on your purchasing decision.